Hi, good morning, you guys. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube and on here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to use the color orange. I'm going to use orange and red mixed together. And I'm using the Draw Me Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette by I Envy. So I'm going to use a little of those both colors together, orange and red. I'm just going to blend it out in a circular motion. I'm going to use some white, some pear. I could have used a little yellow too, but let me see. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Thank you guys for joining in. I'm running behind this morning, so just bear with me. And I'm just going to use some yellow in the inner crease of my eye. You guys like my cartoon character of myself? That's me. YouTube, you guys can't see it, but you will later on. So I'm not going to use no eyeliner. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks without the eyeliner part. Let me see, my elf spray. I'm going to spray it on my face because my skin will not be dry. We're going to go ahead and just do makeup on both sides because since we run out of time, I'm just going to do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm mixing the orange and the red together. Good morning, Tranisha. How are you, girl? I'm just going to go ahead and moving my brush in a circular motion, which I am applying these two colors on the outer side of my eye. I'm just going back and forth. So I'm using orange and red, if you guys can see it on TikTok. The orange and the red mixed together. My night was good. I overslept, so that's why I'm rushing. I had got up and freshened up and everything, and I said I'm gonna lay back down. And my phone didn't tell me to get up, so I got up about 20 minutes later than I expected. I was supposed to be on live at 7:30. That was my goal, my set time. However, it's okay. So I'm just gonna power through this on both lives. Alright, and then we're going to apply our favorite lashes by I Envy. This is the Emerald Mink Elizabeth. This is the VIP 04 lashes. And let me see, make sure they're on the right side. Yep. These are the lashes. These are my favorites. And my favorite lash glue is the 3D adhesive from I Envy. It do not irritate your eyes, guys. I promise. This is one of their best glues ever, and it only costs like $4. Yes, 8.16 now. And I'm just going to press down like that. I don't know how to use pliers, once again, lash pliers, because I always poke myself in the eye or it gets stuck to the lash. So I just use my fingers while I have them, and I press down close to my lash, and then that's it. So I'm not going to do no eyeliner like I did last night. So I'm just showing you guys you don't have to wear the eyeliner. If you don't know how to draw one, it's fine. I'm using my Kids Professional foundation and concealer. This is it here if you're interested. It is Classic Tan 332, and it goes on very smoothly and lightly. And then this is a little bit heavier. This is the Nicka K. This is Tan 03. So I put this towards the bottom. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why I say everybody that, you know, comments on here, they're they have a different time zone. So I understand. So I'm going to use my medium-sized brush, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. Setting spray. This is one of the best setting sprays ever. Spray twice. And I'm just going to go under my eye and give it a nice little lift. And also, I'm going to go back in. So once you do this, if you see this part is not even, all you have to do is use your brush and then go back in with the colors and then lightly just apply so you can have it kind of swing out. So if you don't use your liner, you can just do it like that. See? Easy, simple, and yeah, that's it. And I'm going to bring that down. And I need to use a little bit. What do you guys think of the concealer so far? I need to cover that spot right there because my hair right there trying to turn my head. I try to keep it light around my forehead, the concealer, because you know, you don't need that much concealer. If you guys are tuning in, please tap on that screen. Y'all just sitting there watching. So come on, like my live, share my live. Come on, TikTok. Thank you, Tranisha. Thank you. Only my YouTubers, they always compliment and they always ask questions if needed. You guys on TikTok don't say nothing at all. And then I'm going to use my Kiss Pearl 1. This is also by I Envy. All you need is three little dots. 1, 2, 3. They have different ones. I got to go back on their site and get different colors. It's really nice. And then I'm just going to use my setting spray once again. Spray one time on that, and then I'm just going to blend it in. It's real light. You can't even really notice it. And that's what I like about it, because I don't want it to be noticed. And it looks very, very natural. Alright, guys. We're going to go ahead and start doing the opposite side. I'm trying to see what can I use for my glitter. I probably can use my gold eyeshadow palette. So I have 4 out. Because I want some shimmer, you know. So I'm going to use the Dig It, which I have dug out actually. And I'm going to apply it here. Yes, I have one lash on right now. I'm just showing you guys the visual of one side. I'm going to apply the other one on now. So we're going to apply the lash again, you guys. These are the lashes. And these are I Envy lashes. They are called Elizabeth. So if you have not, you can go on their line, on their website at ivyusa.com. And all the items that I'm using in this content, or all of my content, you can purchase on their site. The concealer, Kiss Professional, and foundation, the Pearl One blush, and this Pacific glue for my lashes. It also come in black. It's clear and black. And also they have lipstick. They have everything, scars and products. So you are in for a ride. So I'm going to go ahead and apply. Okay, so now we're going to go back with the Kiss Tan. What time is it? 8:22. Okay, we on point. Okay, I gotta eat and I gotta pack my lunch for work. And I'm gonna use the Tan by Nika K. I'm just putting a little dab. And then I'm going to once again use my elf spray up. And then I'm going to once again use my elf spray. If you guys haven't already, please tap on that screen. You guys are, come on TikTok. Come on, come on, come on. So you guys see how I brought out the makeup and it's kind of fit. So you don't have to do the liner all the time. So I'm just showing you guys, you don't have to draw eyeliner if you're not good at it. So I'm gonna wing this out a little bit more as well. I'm gonna use a little bit more red and orange mixed together. I'm gonna wing it out. So you don't have to wear eyeliner if you don't know how to like do the cat eye. You don't have to. Just do your makeup like that, your eyeshadow towards the end, wing it out, and then have your concealer like that ready. And just blend it. That's it. It's easy. It's very simple. I didn't know how to do my cat eye myself because I used to get frustrated. Also, you can use tape. I forgot to tell my user, my fan base last night on YouTube that you can just use tape and draw it. So, but it's okay. I just usually follow the end of my eyebrow to draw my liner. And then we're going to go back in with the one. And I'm just going to do it right here. 1, 2, and 3. Come on, y'all. Come on, TikTok. Tap on that screen for me. And I'm going to spray my brush once again. And then I'm going to blend out my blush. And that's it, you guys. That was very simple and easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my gold eyeshadow palette because we're going to have a little shimmer. We're going to use the color Dig It. And I'm just going to apply it here. The eyeshadow palette because we're going to have a little shimmer. We're going to use the color Dig It. And I'm just going to apply it here. So just take your time and trust in the process of doing your makeup. So don't try to rush yourself or feel like you haven't done a good job, because you have. Just take your time. That's it. Try to make sure my glitter is even. Now we're gonna do some lip tutorial. I'm gonna use my Nicka K Cocoa. This is one of my favorite lip pencils. I like this pencil because it always reminds me of the Bratz doll, how they always outline their lips and how it's always like a pout. And I just put some concealer around my lips. Step on that screen for me, please. And I'm just going around the lip area. And that's it, you guys. This is the finished look. I kept it very simple. I applied like a little shimmer, and it was just mostly a red and orange and gold colors that I mixed. And I didn't do a lift, a liner this morning, because I just want to show you guys that you don't have to use eyeliner when you do your makeup, so you still will look nice, and all that matters is your eyebrows is on point and your lashes. You don't have to wear blush either, so it's just mostly your eyebrows and your lashes on point. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next live. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Tranisha. I'm sorry that I came on late this morning, but I did do my makeup and I had to do my hair back over. But thank you guys so much. I will definitely see you guys later on today. Have a wonderful and blessed Friday. Stay safe. Stay positive. Don't let nobody steal your joy or try to make you not worthy at all. But you are worthy, because they want to beat you. But anyway, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye.